Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on auto tipping on the Uber app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn on auto tipping. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Uber app. Next, click an account on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, go ahead and scroll down, then click on Settings, then scroll down again and click on Tip Automatically. So this is where you can toggle on and off auto tipping, and you can set the percentage, or you can set your own percent by clicking on the pencil icon, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn on auto tipping on the Uber app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.